you probably have this. My battery's running real low. In your kitchen area, pantry area, these shelves. I actually pulled out the shelves that were there, and I just went to a home center and I measured and I had them cut down, right? So I had these cut to length, and I got the standards. Where are they? See how it's double? It holds, where are we at? It's double, so it holds more weight. These things hold more weight. And they also had this stuff designed for this ventilated shelving. So like stuff doesn't fall through or fall over or whatever. So this stuff was pretty good. And I shortened it up because everything went across, and then it had a piece going straight up the center all the way to the top to hold these. Where am I at? To hold the center of these. But with the thicker standards, it wasn't necessary. And then I was also able to give myself some space for stuff, right? Because I have a lot of stuff. Yeah, so I needed somewhere to put this stuff anyway. Anyway, so that's why these are shorter. When I got the place, they were running all the way across. Okay, so getting back to the shelving stuff here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 that were cut down, 2 that were full length, and the one up there is full length, but it doesn't stick out as far, so you can actually get up and in there. So it fits pretty well. I don't know why I don't have the thing up top here, but this plastic stuff was a roll. Where is it at? Right here. That was a roll. So when I put it on initially, it once you put stuff on it, it flattens out, but it'll flatten out over time anyway.